Alright, so today's gonna be a lot different. We're pretty much gonna head out to my boy's shop in Gardena and get a resonator delete on the CLS. So nothing too crazy. I'm gonna still retain the factory mufflers, just pretty much the 3 resonators that come on here. Just chop out, throw an Xpipe in there, and yeah, so I'm gonna waste no time. As you can see, it's raining, and head out that way. Get all that done. So I'm actually on my way out there now. Give or take, it'll be like an hour and 30. Take the rain in consideration. Probably like mild traffic, but for the most part, it's pretty early. Got some defoggers, but yeah. So all it is a resonator delete. I'm gonna keep the mufflers. Keep that was a little too loud, but yeah, keep the mufflers. Keep pretty much factory cats. I'm not going to that extent. I'm not saying it doesn't sound cool or anything, but just for the look of the car, it's for the most part just stock, so I don't want it to sound fucking insane and then it's looking like a regular schmegular little luxury sedan. Yeah, but on my way there. Resonator delete. It's these Xpipe right there. We got the middle one out. Got these 2 bitches out. We're good to go. Resonators, and then got the Xpipe in. Boy hooking me up. They don't do just exhaust. Engine swaps, shit, diagnostics, tune-ups, you name it, classics, lowriders. LMA Muffler and Auto. Check them out. cold start.